To create your maps is very easy. Just select the faces you want, then click the plus button, and you're done. Once your maps are created, you can easily import or export them anytime. You can also add symmetric face maps if your mesh is symmetrical. Just select your map, then click Add Symmetry, and choose the axis you need. You can also merge multiple face maps into one. Turn on Overlay to quickly check your face maps in object mode, not only in edit mode. You can also convert your maps into materials. Weight maps and sculpt face sets.